morning. My name is Izzy and welcome back to the Ballet Cymru tutorials. Today I'm going to be doing Grande Allegro with you, but before we start I'm going to be doing this outside because I think I'd kick everything in the room if not. So make sure that you're being safe, and if you are going outside then make sure you wear good trainers. So we're going to start in fifth position, failli 1, assemble battu 2, failli again 3, assemble battu 4, balance over the front foot 5, 6, pose arabesque 7, plie 8, step, step, assemble, on tourne, step, step, assemble, on tourne, then chasse, pas de bourrée, step, step. You can do anything you like. If you need to do the chasse pas de bourrée on the spot, then do that, that's fine. And then at the end, I'm going to do a pas de chat, but you can do anything you want. If you need to keep your legs low, that's fine. Also, if you need to do anything on the spot, then don't worry about doing that, just as long as you kind of get the movement and the feel, and that's great. Okay, let's do the first side with the music. Okay, well done. Let's do the second side. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed taking part. I did. Make sure that you watch the next few weeks for more class, and hope to see you soon.